supplementary poem. Then some are pending for the grammar. So open the video. Okay, good. Then what about others? Open the video and show to me, children. Oh, fine. Open the video. Tikesh Kumar, close and show your face. Sit straight, Manish. Pillow support on the illama. Sit straight, Manish. Kanish Krishna, Jayasree Ji, Bharani, Manish, Kaus. Okay, fine. Close the videos and go open your video for face. Close the video of text. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the textbook, everyone. Open the video also. What do you mean by dragon? Do you know what is dragon? What is dragon?
Means animal.
It's an animal. Is it available now?
Mythological creature, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's not available now.
Ma'am, extinct.
It's not available now, but we believed that it lived on Earth, isn't it? So the tail, you know what is the meaning of a tail? What's the meaning of tail? T-A-I-L-E, tail.
Ma'am, it's story.
Tail means story. Another one tail is there. What's the spelling of that tail?
T-A-I-L, ma'am.
T-I-L.
Yeah. Good, very good. TALE, tail means story. So you can understand there and write TALE, tail, story. Tale of Custard the Dragon. What do you mean by custard?
Ma'am, that is one of you.
Eh? What do you mean by custard?
It's a type of
Custard is a type of a food. It's not that much thick. It's not that much hard. It is like a pongal. Pongal is very soft, you know, soft and fleshy. So likewise, one which is known as custard. The tail of Custard the Dragon. The tail of custard. What do you mean by tail of custard? Custard in the tail. So who was custard? The custard was the dragon. So the name of a custard is, sorry, the name of a dragon is custard. Sridharish, background open பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு எங்க போகுது?
Ma'am, I'm here only, ma'am.
In between you are going there, here and there. See, it's a tail of Custard the dragon. Custard is a dragon. So we can here see the tail of a dragon named Custard. If that name is suitable to a dragon, custard na or name, the custard we already know that it is like a pongal one dish is there, dish. Whether it is the name suitable to dragon, do you know what kind of an animal was dragon? Say some descriptions about
Dragon is a hot, angry creature.
Bird.
Bird.
Ma'am, it's a type of lizard.
Sometimes it has wings. It's a type of a hard and angry creature. Suppose if it become angry, what will happen?
Blow fire. Fire.
It blow fire. From where fire
ma'am.
is coming? From the mouth.
Mouth.
Okay, what is the physical feature of custard dragon? What is the physical feature? Say, I cannot hear, say clearly.
Ma'am, its skin
Ma'am,
is
it is
as
used
strong as an armor.
It has a scale structure in its body. It has spikes in his back. Isn't so, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here we can see one kind of a dragon. So first line. Little Auden Nash. The poet is Auden Nash. First answer. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a realio, trulio, little pet dragon. See, Belinda. Belinda is the central character of our story. So Belinda. Belinda is a cute girl, pretty girl, beautiful girl. See, Belinda lived in a little white house. Where she lived? She lived in a little white house. White house, Nana. White house. Tikesh, what is White House? Tikesh, know your face?
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
No, hair only I can see. Forehead and head only I can see. Yes, sir. Somewhat up you come. See, children. Belinda lived in a little white house. White House is an official building for to whom?
President.
Which president?
American president.
Ma'am, American president.
American president. Official house is known as White House. Whether Belinda is an American president? It shows that she is also living in a white house. It's not like that. Okay. The paint of her house was white. So Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten who was living with her, who were living with her, a little black kitten, a little gray mouse, a little yellow dog, and a little red wagon. She has 4 pet animals: kitten, mouse, yellow, sorry, a dog, and a red wagon. Wagon na vehicle, a small cart. Wagon, underline the sentence word wagon. It is a small cart. Dragon and a Realio Trulio little pet dragon. And she has a Realio. Realio means really. Trulio means truly. And she has really and true another one pet also. Who was that pet? A dragon. So what? Who were living with her Belinda? Who were living with Belinda?
Ma'am, a black
Ma'am,
kitten, a
one
black
black
little kitten, ma'am,
all
a grey
black,
mouse,
yellow
ma'am, yellow
ma'am,
dog, a
and
red wagon, and a pet dragon, ma'am.
a little yellow dog.
Wagon pet animal allappa. Wagon is her vehicle, cart, C-A-R-T, carriage. Okay, so a black kitten, a little grey mouse, a little yellow dog, a little red wagon, and really a true dragon, small dragon. All these are the pet animals of Belinda. Belinda was lived in a White House. Little White House. Got it, children, where she was living? She lived in a little white house. Belinda lived in a little white house with her 4 pets. How many pet animals she has? 4 pet animals. Underline: a little black kitten, a little grey mouse, a little yellow dog, and a little dragon. All are little ones only. Okay, and she had a little red wagon. Got it, children? Belinda lived in a little white house with little black kitten and a little grey mouse and little yellow dog and a little red wagon. And really, oh, truly, oh, little pet dragon. And really, truly, a little
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. You're on mute, ma'am.
Once again, we will see the first paragraph. Belinda lived in a little white house with little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a really or truly or little pet dragon. So Belinda was living in a white house. She had 4 pet animals: a cat, a kitten, a mouse, a dog, and a dragon. And she had a little wagon also. What do you mean by wagon?
Car.
Cart, not car. Cart, carriage. Okay. Everybody, please open the video, children. Shakti in between where she went. I cannot see her video. Manisha, Sridish, Kirti, Mainish, Tikesh, Ashwini, Sugita. That's the video mode. What about others? Divya Darshan, Danish, Arlene, and in between they came and went out. ഇനിയോ ഫസ്റ്റിൽ ഇരുന്ന് ഇപ്പൊ പോയെ. Yes. Hello, Divya Darshan. Yes, Divya Darshan. Now only you came.
No, ma'am, from starting I'm late.
Okay, maybe network issues. Let us go to the next stanza, children. Second stanza.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, So first she introduced the names of the pet animal. Sorry, what are the pet animals she had? Next we can see the names of the pet animal. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. Kitten name na? Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. I-N-K. Ink. Underline Ink. And the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. Mouse is Blink. What is the little mouse name?
Blink.
Blink. Always blinking and sitting, so it's known as Blink. And the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, and the dog was very sharp as mustard, so it is known as mustard. Mustard na Sri Lidisha, what are you doing there? See children, the name of the little mouse was Blink and the yellow dog was as sharp as mustard. So its name is, dog's name is Mustard. Okay. Mustard. Mustard. Mustard na? Mustard. Kadugu. So mustard. But the dragon was a coward. Coward na, the person without brave. Courage, without courage, and not so brave. So that kind of people is known as coward. And she called him Custard. So Custard na, when you pay Custard. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. The name of the little kitten was Ink. And the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. And the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. And the dog was very sharp as mustard. Yellow color only, no? So mustard, flowers is in yellow color. Flowers are in yellow color. So she gave the name Mustard. But the dragon was a coward. But the dragon, what kind of an animal was dragon? He was a coward. C-O-W-A-R-D. Underline the word coward. Coward na word meaning? Coward na a person or an animal without courage. Okay. Without courage. Eppo bayam irukkunna aal then coward. And she called him Custard. So what she called him? She called him Custard.
Custard.
So next paragraph, understand that paragraph, first paragraph, the poet introduces us Belinda and her pets. Next paragraph, we can see the names of the pet animals. Got it, children? Next paragraph, we can see the names of the pet animals. The third stanza. So third stanza. So what kind of an animal was dragon? What kind of an animal was dragon, children?
Custard.
Uncovered.
Covered. So its name is Custard. Custard was a Custard was not a rigid dish, rigid or strong or hard dish. It is like a pongal. Puffy it's that was not that much strong. So she gave the name Custard to dragon. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. Already the poet told us that it was a real true dragon and she gave the name Custard because it was very coward. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. So the poet is given a description about the dragon and the spikes on top of him and scales underneath. So see first the dragon had big sharp teeth and the spikes on the top of him and scales underneath. Mouth like a fireplace. Mouth is like a fireplace. Chimney for a nose. Nose is like a chimney. Always smoke is coming out of the nose. And the really truly daggers on his toes. Really, he has daggers. Nails எல்லாம் வந்து என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கும்? Dagger knife மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, see that paragraph you read in the mind, children. Completed, children?
Yeah, oh, daughter.
Come to the
Yes, ma'am.
next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see what is the name of the custard then? Say, children, what is the name? Sorry, what is the name of the dragon?
Custard.
Custard.
Custard. Custard.
Ah, very good. Very good. Custard. So custard, the poet in the third stanza, poet is telling to us very clearly that custard is not a simple animal. It was the real features of a real dragon, but unfortunately, he was a coward. See next. See children, Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on the top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and really truly daggers on his toes. So this is the situation of the dragon. Got it? See the next one. Stanza 4. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chased the lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for an ice for safe cage. See, Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers. What kind of a lady was Belinda? She was a little girl, but she was as brave as barrel full of beers. How was she? She was as brave as barrel full of beers. Or barrel nare. Beer na a brave animal. Open the video, everyone. Bear is a brave animal, as same as Belinda. As same as Belinda. Belinda as brave as barrel full of beers. ஒரு barrel full beers எப்படி இருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி brave இருக்கு யாரு? Belinda. And Ink and Blink chase the lions down the stairs. So Ink and Blink, they are also very brave animals. They even chase the lion. They are very, very brave. So they are brave enough to chase a lion. Avlo தைரியமா இருக்கு வேணா they can chase the lion. Inkum Blinkum, who was Ink and Blink? Ink and Blink, cat and mouse. Even though cat and mouse, even though they are very brave to chase the lion down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as tiger in a rage. The tiger in an angry mood, how he was courage and brave, the same was Mustard. Who was Mustard? Mustard was a dog. So, Abhishek, Mustard was a dog. So he was as brave as tiger. Who was as brave as tiger? Mustard. The dog was as brave as tiger. Custard cried for a nice safe cage. But what kind of animal was Custard? Custard doesn't have any courage. He cried for a nice safe cage. He was crying for a nice safe cage. Got it, children? See once again. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers. What kind of a girl was Belinda? Belinda's bravery has been compared. Here the poet has been compared. Belinda's bravery to the bravery of a group of bears. A barrel of beers means group of bears. Ink and Blink, despite being a small in size, they have the power to chase away the lion down the stairs. Down the stairs, they can chase away the lions. Then mustard. What kind of a animal was mustard? Mustard's bravery has been compared with that of an angry tiger. Mustard's bravery has been compared with that of an angry tiger. So mustard's bravery is what kind of bravery for mustard? He is
Tiger, ma'am.
tiger, but custard is comparatively opposite. What is about how is about custard? He is comparatively opposite of all of them. He is comparatively opposite, or he is completely opposite of all these animal. He was a coward who always demanded a safe place. He wanted a comfortable and a safe place for sitting and sleeping or eating and sleeping. Such a kind of an animal was custard. Got it, children? See, once again, I will read the 4 stanzas. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse, and a little yellow dog, and a little red dragon, and really, truly little pet dragon. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and really truly daggers on his toes. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chased the lion down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for a nice, safe cage. So, such a kind of an animal was who? Custard the dragon. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the tale of the custard, the dragon, 4 stanzas today. Four stanzas is enough for today. Whether you underline the unknown words and wrote the meaning. See, children, stanza 3, spikes. What do you mean by spikes? A thin pointed structures on the body. The paragraph stanza 3 only some difficult words are there. I will post the word meaning in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you can write it in the chat box. I will post. Pa. You can write in your test. Sri Radesh, which any other class are you attending?
No, ma'am.
Eh?
Ma'am, we shall read textbook or not?
Who is talking there?
Ma'am, I'm Mr. Ritesh, ma'am. Ma'am, shall we read textbook or not, ma'am?
That I know, Sri Radesh, with you. Who is talking there? Any other class is going on there?
Yes, ma'am. Brother is attending the class, ma'am.
Which class? That much of sound is there, then how you can sit and
Ma'am, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'll see only plus one.
see in the chat box I have shared the word meaning of stanza 3. You can write in your class, test note and send it to me in the chat box itself. Spikes, scales, fireplace, chimney, dragger.
Yes, ma'am.
Chat box it came or not, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It came, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It came, ma'am. Ma'am, in textbook even we have to write, ma'am.
Open the video, children. Finish, children. Write fast.